Okay, this is family Petromyzontidae, the lampreys. The top brown one is the Lampetra appendix, the American brook lamprey. And the bottom one, huge thing, is, there we go. Okay.
I don't know, it's the best.
Just, yeah. Okay, so it's the Petromyzon marinus, the sea lamprey. That's right there. Yeah, there we go. Get the whole thing in there. Okay, cool. This is family Acipenseridae, the sturgeons. There's no genus or species, just know the family. And he's got like the cool thing. Okay, this is family Polyodontidae, paddlefishes. And just turn it. And then the genus and species Polyodon spatula, paddlefish. Okay, this is family Lepiostidae, gars, and this is genus Lepisosteus osseus, the long-nosed gar. This is family Amidae, genus Amia calva, the bowfin. This is family Anguillidae, eels, genus Anguilla rostrata, the American eel.
So if you're done and you want to move some jars for me, you can stack them on the trolley over here. Yep,
Family Clupidae, herrings.
You guys done?
Alosa pseudoherungus, the alewife. Okay, family Clupidae, Dorosoma sepidionum, gizzard shad.
Go ahead, you'll read it.
Okay. The Campostoma anomalum, the common stone roller.
Got it. The common stone roller is a dusky minnow with irregular patches of black or brown pigment scattered over the body. It is highly distinctive in its generic characters: long and coiled gut, black peritoneum, cartilaginous scraping edge on mandible, but closely resembles the allied large-scale stone roller. It differs in having smaller scales, a flatter and less projecting snout, and a more highly arched nape, and in the nupital characters of the breeding male as cited in the key.
Okay. The Campostoma oligolepis, large-scale stone roller.
The large-scale stone roller is, as noted in the diagnosis of the preceding species, exceedingly similar to the common stone roller, differing from that species primarily in having larger and fewer scales and in lacking a black band across the anal fin and a row of tubercles along the inner margin of the nostrils. It also tends to have a more globose and projecting snout and have less arched dorsal profile. Its lateral line scales are usually 43 to 47, body circumferential scales usually 31 to 36, and the sum of these counts usually 74 to 83.
The Cyprinus spiloptera, spotfin shiner.
The spotfin shiner is a compressed and bluish silvery shiner with a dusky lateral band, a pointed snout, a small eye, a black blotch, and the posterior rays of the dorsal fin. The dorsal fin situated slightly behind the pelvic fin insertions, scales on the sides of the body diamond-shaped and sharply outlined with melanophores. Modelly 8 anal rays, 35 to 40 lateral line scales, usually 1 for... Actually, you can send it there.
Done?
Yeah.
The Cyprinus carpio, common name carp.
The carp is a compressed bronze or olive-colored cyprinid with 4 long barbels, 1 principal and 2 small spinous rays in both the dorsal and the anal fin, and a long dorsal fin having at least 17 rays. The adult is familiar to almost everyone. The young superficially resembles small bigmouth buffalo and goldfish, but the young carp has a distinctive dusky vertical bar on the caudal peduncle.
Done? Okay. Nocomis bigutatus, The horny head chub.
The horny head chub is a terete, stout-bodied minnow with a large head, a moderately large mouth, terminal barbels, 40 to 43 scales in the lateral line, the dorsal fin origin slightly behind the pelvic insertions, a yellowish or bronzy ground color, and usually an evident caudal spot. It is much like the river chub, but the two can be distinguished by the characters in the key. It somewhat resembles the creek chub, but it has terminal barbels, a smaller mouth, and larger scales. It differs from the lake chub in being more robust and having much larger scales.
Okay. Natropus hudsonius, the spot-tail shiner.
The spot-tail shiner is a somewhat slab-sided shiner, light olive above and silvery or white beneath, with a large black spot on the caudal peduncle, 8 anal rays, 36 to 40 lateral line scales, rather falcate dorsal and anal fins, the dorsal fin slightly in advance of the pelvic fin insertions, a nearly horizontal mouth, a rather large eye, the ventral edge of the caudal fin milky white, and variable pharyngeal teeth, most often 2, 4, 4, 2. The species most closely resembles the black-tail shiner, but does not occur with it, differing in lacking black pigment in the dorsal fin rays and having an anteriorly placed dorsal fin. Occasional specimens of the spot-tail shiner have the caudal spot poorly developed and resemble the sympatric emerald shiner. The spot-tail shiner has a stouter body, fewer anal rays, and the dorsal fin ahead rather than behind the pelvic fin insertions.
So this one spot is like a little bit before.
So it's family Esacidae, pikes, Esox americanus, the grass pickerel. You can see the duck bill right there.
When I came, when I was down here,
Just go along with it, I guess.
after last week, we finished up these fish.
Yay! This is the Esacidae pikes, Esox lucius, the northern pike.
These jars are going next door.
Is it recording? Okay. Family Aphrododera cyanus, pirate perch. Family Amblyopsidae, Forbicichthys agassiza, spring cavefish. Gadidae, Lotta burbot.
It still has the
Atherinidae, Labidestes siculus, brook silverside. Family Fundulidae, Fundulus diaphanous, banded killfish. Family Fundulidae, Fundulus notatus, black striped top minnow. Let's see. Family Gasterostidae, Culea inconstans, brook stickleback. Family Gasterostidae, Pungitius, 9-spine stickleback. Family Persidae, Ethiostoma labellare, fantail darter. Family Persidae, Ethiostoma nigrum, Johnny darter. Family Persidae, Persa flavescens, yellow perch. Family Persidae, Persina caprotes, log perch. Family Persidae, Persina maculata, black-side darter.
you can see
This.
You can see it because it runs this way.
Okay. There is a packet. I forget what
Family
it's called.
Persidae,
Oh yeah.
Sander vitreus, walleye.
It looks. I was like.
Okay. Family Scienidae, Aplodonatus gruniens, freshwater drum.